Welcome back to Kim's Creations. I am going back to my original love, which is the Mack Galaxy Straight Pour. So today I am using a 24 by 24 inch edge gallery wrapped canvas that's 1.5 inches deep. It's taped off on the back and ready to roll. My colors. All right, so I have my base, which is Artist Loft Flow Acrylic in white. I mixed some satin enamels in here. And I also had very small amount of treasure gold in the color gold, which I just dumped into here. So it made it just a little bit off-white, which I am totally fine with. All of my paints today are mixed with Mix Pour, and you can get your own Mix Pour from Krista, and I will put her email below. You can email her and get your own mix. It is pouring medium, and you can mix it at about 1 part paint to about 5 to 7 parts of the pouring medium. So my colors. I wanted to do kind of a greenish color palette, and when I put in green color palette in Pinterest, it kind of gave me green and a dark blue combo. So I definitely wanted to use Liquitex Basics Bright Aqua Green, so I started with that, and it matched up with one of the colors that I saw. I added in this color because I thought it was really cool, and it's Fairy Tale Blue by Arteza. And it is a light blue with a purple shift to it. I'm trying to see if you can see that. Yep. And the next color is Folk Art in Malachite. And this is a just a metallic. So it's a beautiful color. Just a nice shiny green. And then my new love is Lumiere, and this is Halo Blue Gold. It is such a pretty color. It is this gorgeous blue, shifts almost to purple, has a gold in it, and comes out overall kind of greeny. Perfect for this combo. My dark color is Prussian Blue Hue by Liquitex Basics. Super rich and yummy. And it has, I mean, it's a dark blue, but it does have a slight purple tinge to it. And you can see I used this cup to pour in my bright aqua green initially. And then last but not least is my Phthalocyanine blue by Liquitex Basics. It's like heaven in a little cup. Those are my colors. All right, I'm gonna get started layering my big cup here. I'm gonna need about 21 ounces of paint totally for this whole thing. I am gonna be using my white as a flow extender around the edge of my pour, but I'm gonna start with a little drizzle of it in the bottom, just like that. Well, as you can see, my first piece, I didn't end up liking it. I did wreck it, and I really kind of overstretched it, and I didn't like how the lines went on the side, and I just thought that the piece lost a lot of the contrast. So I am layering up one more cup, and because I obviously don't need that as much paint as I did the first time, because I have all that paint down on the canvas right now. So I'll just let you watch the rest of me getting this cup sorted, and we'll pour my second attempt down. So here's my new layered cup. Let's see what happens with this one. Maybe I won't wreck it. That was not such a great catch, but I will fix it. There. I think I'm just gonna stretch this one out and not wreck it. I like the previous one, but I think it just got too much. It was just too much. Oh man, paint everywhere again. The one thing about using a canvas again is that it is slippery. If you're using a big canvas like I am, I do have push pins in. You can, and I would suggest that you do rest the canvas on those push pins as you're moving them around as much as you can, just to help kind of take the weight off your arms. It helps a bit. All right, that was my first pass. All right, back to weightlifting. Do I take it off? Oh, what the heck? Off that side, let's bring her back. I'm losing a push pin. And there it went. Okay. So what I'm seeing right now is I have a big swatch of green down in that corner, and I just want to get rid of some of it. Or even, most of it. There. Now let's get this back. There, I like it. I have to fix my pen that's missing over there, but I am liking what I've got now. There. Okay. Oh my gosh. Wow. I can't believe that almost happened. What fun. This is what happens with acrylic painting. Oh my gosh. Okay. All right, I'm liking everything about this except for that weird center. So, I don't even know what I'm gonna do. Let's see. Let's take some paint from the bottom of my cup. Oh God. Now my dog's come to investigate what the heck's happening. She's still alive in there? Just trying to make it feel a little more organic. Okay, well, there it is. I am going to scrape my edges, fix any corners that need to be fixed, and next up will be wet results, followed by dried results. See you in a few. We are back with the final piece. It is all dried, and it dried beautifully. I want to point out the purple areas, and I didn't have per se any purple in the layers of paints. but the purple that you can see there is that fairy tale blue, which was blue in the cup but had that purple shift to it. So it really turned out quite beautifully in this piece. I definitely love all the colors. I almost wish I had a little bit more of that dark blue, and the rest of the colors were just amazing. There's some great lines in here. Up in here you can see right in through here, that was that halo blue gold. I just love it. I just love that color. And you can see a little bit more of it down in this corner here. Just pretty neat. Oh. A little aside, one of my dogs, we just got done with playing tickle toes and he got hot, so he's cooling off in the pool. All right, back to the painting. That's what we're here for, right? Although dogs are always cute to show. All right, Malachite also in through here. It wasn't quite as prominent as it looked when it was wet, which is quite interesting. But I just love it. Anyway, let me pull out so that you can see the whole thing. Let me know what you guys think of this one in the comments below. And if you haven't subscribed, please subscribe. Hit that thumbs up notification, and the next time I upload a video, you will be notified. All right, till next time, bye for now.